Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from Jharkhand Board Exam 2026 class 12. So here fx is given to us 6x minus 5. Question is saying that f such that r to r such that fx equal to 6x minus 5. Then find f inverse x. So let y equal to fx equal to 6x minus 5. Therefore f equal to x equal to f inverse y, that is 6x minus 5. Okay, 6x minus 5. So taking y equal to 6x minus 5, y plus 5 equal to 6x, and y plus 5 upon 6 equal to x. So putting this equal to x equal to y plus 5 upon 6, that is x, and which is f inverse y, f inverse y, f inverse y equal to y plus 5 upon 6. Putting this value, putting x in place of y, therefore this f inverse x equal to x plus 5 upon 6. X plus 5 upon 6 is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.